Hello friends. So I'll start by apologizing because while I was unpotting these, I thought my camera was on and it was off. I got two new plants that I wanted to share with you. One of which is a truncata crossed with a haworthia. A little bit different plant. I said I wasn't going to buy any more haworthias because I have so many, but this one was so different. You see how the top of the leaves are transparent? These actually look much better in the sun when the sun hits them and they have light behind the leaves. They really almost glow. So this one is a truncata haworthia cycle. It's called a cycle. So it was so unusual that I just had to have it. I'm gonna go ahead and top dress this one. I really wanted to show the taproot on these. These have these truncatas and haworthias have such nice taproots. Really big roots for the size of plant that it is. But maybe next time. So there we have haworthia, truncata, cycle. Kind of looks like a cycle. If I hit the light just right, you can see the transparency on the top of the leaves. Very unusual plant. Right there, that's a good shot of what I'm talking about. Okay. So the next one is a baldianum, gymnocalycium. And I have probably 4 or 5 of these. But this one has a bud growing. And let me see. 1, 2, 3. It's got 3 other tiny buds popping out. I don't know if you could see that. Right there. There's one. And there's one here. So, but this one's ready to burst open. And I believe this is either a white or a yellow flower. And not only that, I don't know if you could tell the light color between the ribs. That's all new growth. So this is growing. This is a very healthy plant. I unpotted it. It was in really dry soil. I lost some roots, but I don't think it'll affect the plant. Very healthy baldianum. So I talked about the local shop that I found here in Chicago. I went back there and picked these 2 plants up today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pot this one. I'm putting it in I believe these are 3 3/4 inch pots, just under 4 inches. Some of the other plants I got last week, I had to trim the roots, but that root system on those were very full and very long. This one I'm not gonna trim anything off. So here we go. Small but very spiky little thorns on this one. I was tempted to put it in a 4-inch pot, but I try to control the growth of a lot of these plants. I have so many plants, I can't just let them grow wild. So it's late September here, and pretty soon I'm gonna be pulling these plants inside, and I have limited room inside. So I use just the right size pots. I don't use a pot that's a little too big, that's gonna give the plant a lot of room to grow. I don't want them to grow. I have some plants that I've had for a long time, and I controlled the growth on them. I have one that's I think it's a toothpick cactus. It's about, I don't know, 17 or 18 years old, and it's very big. Whoever saw my backyard greenhouse tour would remember. Whoever didn't can go to my channel and take a look. Very big plant. So there. That looks like it's about right. I'm just gonna top dress this one. I think I'm gonna use the multicolor lava rocks for this. I really like supporting the small businesses here in Chicago, especially now with the epidemic and the shutdowns, and people are really struggling. I'm a local businessman, and my business for a year and a half has been hurting. So I feel with them. So we gotta help the locals as much as possible till this all blows over. The name of the shop is Plant Shop Chicago. They're located in Chicago on Elston Avenue. Whoever is interested in cactuses or just plants, they carry a lot of different plants. Should look them up. Interesting little shop. Sometimes it's those little shops where you get the specialty goods at. Some of the bigger nurseries just have the common stuff. So there. A healthy, growing, budding, soon to bloom Gymnocalycium baldianum. Yeah, there. I'll put it in the light so you can see all the light green growth that's coming through. And that's the bud. So, okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll just put these in the greenhouse, get them in some sun, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and till next time.